In this video, we will learn what is volume and how to calculate volume of a cube or a cuboid. Now, first of all, volume is something which tells us that how much matter or how much liquid can be stored in that container. So, volume is about the matter or matter or liquid that we can store. Say for example, if we have a container or a glass, we have a small glass, we have a big glass, we have a cup. All these utensils which you use in kitchen, they can store water, they can store milk, they can store our vegetable, everything they can store. So if the container is small, if the container is small, then it can have smaller. If the container is big, then it can store much more volume. Now, when we have a big container, it could become big because the base is bigger, or it can store more volume if the height is more. So this is base and this is height. So the volume which it is going to store here, that depends upon the area of the base and the height. So the fundamental formula of volume is area of base into height. This is the basic formula of volume. And volume, because it is area multiplied by height, so the unit of measure is centimeter cube, or if it is measured in meter, then it is meter cube. So whereas area we had centimeter square, so in this case it is meter cube, and centimeter square is also called cc, cubic centimeter. The word cubic because it is power of 3, and 1 meter cube is equal to 1 meter is 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So that is like a container which is 1 meter long, 1 meter uh, by breadth, and 1 meter height. So this type of container 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter will contain liquid or volume of 1 meter cube, and this is equal to 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cube. And another measure for volume is called liter. Liter. And liter is 1000 cubic centimeter. So 1000 cc is called 1 liter. So remember that 1 meter cube will have 1 meter cube will have how many liters? 1 meter cube will have how many liters? This will be translated into 1000 liter. It will be 1000 liter. Now let us see that if we have a cuboid, so how will we calculate the volume of a cuboid? Now again, in case of cuboid, we can apply the same basic formula, which is base into height. So let me just rub this thing. Base into height is the basic formula. So in case of cuboid also the same will apply. So we have a cuboid, like this I am making a cuboid. So this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. So the base area of this cuboid will be length into breadth, and then volume equal to base area, which is length into breadth into height. So if suppose the length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter, then the base area becomes 12 centimeter square, and then the volume will become 12 into height is 2, so 24 centimeter cube. Now in case of a cube, this is in case of a cuboid, because the length, breadth and height are different. In case of a cube, length is equal to breadth is equal to height. So the formula for volume can simply be length into cube, or we can say length into length into length into length into length. Because, and suppose it's a cube of 3 centimeter one side, then it will become 3 into 3 into 3, which is 27 centimeter cube. So we have seen that the basic formula for volume is base area into height, or you can write in short, base area into height, and base area is length into breadth, so therefore the formula is length into breadth into height. So in case of cube and cuboid, our basic formula is that volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So we should just remember this. It's a very simple concept. And in case of a cube, because all three sides are equal, so we can just multiply one side by 3 times, and we can also say length cube. So basically what we have learned in this video, we understood what is volume, and we also understood the unit of measure for volume, which is centimeter cube or meter cube, and centimeter cube is also called cc in the common layman's term, and 1000 cc is equal to 1 liter. So normally when you buy milk, you buy 1 liter or half liter or 2 liter, whatever the case may be, and 1 meter cube is equal to 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cube, or also equal to 1000 liter. And 1 meter cube would mean that we have a container which is 1 meter long, 1 meter broad and 1 meter in height, or 1 meter tall. So that will be like a big water tank, and normally water tank volume is like 1000 liter or 2000 liter, which is basically serving our requirement for the whole day. Thank you.